Hey everyone, so if you missed the previous video, we went ahead and we added captions to the table, we added captions to an image, and we added captions to a graph. So in this video, we wanted to go ahead and build out a table of figures, also known as a table of captions. And it does exactly what it sounds like. It's almost like a table of contents, but it's for captions. So what we did is we went ahead and created a blank page. And if you haven't already, add some captions or go to my previous video, then add some add some captions to your document. And then once you have those in place, come over here to the References tab, come over here to Insert Table of Figures. And then this looks very similar to some of the other like table of contents, and we were editing that. It looks very similar to that, right? So what we can do from here is we can make some changes to it if we would like to. But what we want to do, we're good with all this configuration up here at the top, and we want to go ahead and we want to apply our different caption labels here at the bottom. The issue though is we can go ahead and specify individual labels, but there's not an option for all. So we have to actually do something if we want to apply all of them, because if I was to come over here and select image and select OK, you can see we only applied the one image label that we had on here, which was for the cheetah's picture. We didn't have that listed in any other spots. So let's go ahead and get rid of that, and I'll show you how you can go ahead and apply all. So come back over to Insert Table of Figures. Come over here to the options, select caption, and now go ahead and select OK. And then once we select OK, you can see it went ahead and added all of the different label types for the various captions that we've had in our document. So that is actually how you're able to add a table of figures on your Word document.